The experience that I gained from the SecEDU and AWS course, I was able to directly leverage in my next role as a software engineer intern in a DevOps team at Cisco. And it was also very crucial in me landing that role.
This course has really changed the way that students learn and students can learn.
There's a massive worldwide shortage of cyber professionals. It's a huge skills gap. And of all the skills that the world needs in cyber, cloud security is probably the most in demand at the moment. We've started to teach it in a new way. We've flipped the traditional way of teaching on its head. Instead of the normal sort of theoretical approach where students learn a whole lot of theory at uni and then when they go into the workforce they apply it and see how it works in the real world, we've decided to sort of flip it upside down and do the two things together so that while the students are at uni and while they're learning cloud skills, they're interacting with real world professionals, real world experts, and solving problems for real world clients. We've partnered with AWS to do it because we needed expertise. AWS are the leaders in cloud security and the biggest in cloud security, and we're really honoured that they're prepared to help us. We've formed a genuine partnership. It's not just that they're sponsoring us or giving us resources. We're working together, continually adapting what we're doing to find the best way we can teach our students.
I think what makes this course different from other university courses is the work integrated learning aspects of the course itself. We have a lot of AWS mentors who volunteer their time to help students along their journey over the 10 to 12 week course program.
I would absolutely say that the AWS and SecEDU course is just like working in industry. I would say it provides the closest thing to interning at AWS, and it really gives a level of mentorship and industry exposure to problems in the cloud security space that students would otherwise never experience.
Wow, when I finished the course, it was so exciting. It was such a proud moment. You're up there presenting at the AWS offices in front of a large audience, and it's really amazing to see what you and your team have achieved together. You are solving problems that really haven't been approached before. You're trying to make things more efficient and change the space, and to be a part of that is just something that is like a once in a lifetime opportunity.
I think the best measure of success for a program like this is really the impact it has in terms of the students' pathways into industry. So obviously we're looking for additional talent to help us fill the gaps that exist within cloud security expertise today. And the same is true with our customers, and the same is true with our partners.
There aren't always answers out there. And this course really taught me how to try and then fail and try a different attempt, to collaborate with stakeholders, to think really outside of the box, and that has definitely stuck with me throughout my career.
We've already seen this is working. We're changing the fate of our students, of Australia, Australia's security, and hopefully even the digital world. It's very exciting. We don't want to keep it to ourselves. I'd love to partner and work together with other universities in this way. I think together we're better than by ourselves. I'm so proud to be partnering with AWS to change the way that we educate our students into the future.